everybody, Jennifer from Farm Fresh Fabrics here again, showing you a new pattern that we have in our store. This is called Pass the Hot Dish. It makes two sizes of baskets for your 9x13 or 9x9 pans. We actually have an 8x8 pan in ours right now, but they're for your glass, like your Pyrex dishes that everybody uses, at least I do. I love these dishes. And you don't cook with it in the oven, obviously. It's fabric. You're just going to catch it on fire. It's made for when you take your casserole dish out of the oven using hot pads. You can plop it right in your basket, and then it has handles on the side. I don't know if you can see that on the video. It has handles on the side, and you're supposed to be able to use this to pass the hot dish around the table. Hence the name, Pass the Hot Dish. I will confess I haven't actually tried it yet with the hot dish, but the pattern designer has stated that she has tried it. She said obviously, you'll want to double check it yourself, but she said it works great. You can just take these right up here with the handles, pass them right around. Nobody has to touch the hot dish. No need for extra hot pads flopping all over the place at your table. They work great, and they fold flat for storage. So if you take your dish out when you're done, here's what it looks like made. So all you gotta do to fold it flat for storage, you're gonna just plop those corners out, and it folds flat like this. So we are going to have some kits made up in the shop, but since you can't come in here to shop right now, if you'd like to make your own kit for these, just send us an email, support@farmfreshfabrics.com. Pick out two fabrics that you would like and tell us that you would like to make your own kit for Pass the Hot Dish. We're going to give you enough to make one of each size, a 9x13 and an 8x8. If you'd like to make more than one of each size, let us know. We'll just adjust the fabric it takes some fabric, it takes some fusible decor bond, the Pellon 809, and it takes the flex foam, also called soft and stable, but we use the flex foam. It's one-sided. We use the one-sided fusible for this one. Like I said, if you're picking out your own fabric, the yellow, this is folded now, so the yellow is actually your inside. And this pattern is really easy to make. The only thing that is a little tricky is visualizing this, is because you see more of the yellow as you're sewing it, because you kind of sew it flat like this, which you don't really, until you see it made, you understand where everything goes, but you're seeing an awful lot of the inside, which is the yellow. When you're making it, it seems like that should be the outside, but it's not. When you're ready to use it, you're just going to plop your fingers in here and fold your corners like this, and it pops it into the cute basket shape. So the yellow on my fabric is the inside, and the blue hydrangeas is the outside. And this fabric line, in case you like it, I love it. It's called Hydrangea Blue, and it's on our website. But if you like to pick your own fabrics, you just need two, an inside and an outside fabric. And you'll have to let us know which one you're picking for those, because you need a little bit different fabric requirements, because the outside has the handles. And some of this, you put a little bit of bias tape made from the fabric. It's just a strip folded in force around this top edge here. It's a raw edge that you're going to enclose with the seam, like a seam binding. These are really easy to make. They didn't take long at all. The directions were very clear. There are two, you're supposed to measure your dish, which I will also confess I did not do. I just made the taller version. There's a version for a shorter and a taller version in here. I think they're only like a half an inch or a quarter inch difference. I just went ahead and made the tall one and called it good. I didn't measure it, but she does give you instructions on how to measure the height of your pan to figure out which one to use. If you're giving it for a gift, I would probably just go with the tall one, because it fits everything. So again, it makes a 9x13 casserole dish holder, and it makes an 9x9. I actually have an 8x8 in here, so it's a little floppier, but you can put that one in it too. So the pattern will make both. They're really easy to make. You just have a little bit of fabric, a little bit of decor bond, a little bit of fusible flex foam, and they're good to go. Like I said, they make great gifts. It's called Pass the Hot Dish. If you'd like to create your own kit, pick out two fabrics and send us an email, support@farmfreshfabrics.com. Thank you. See you soon.